Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. I'm bringing for everyone new blog for the multi-grain bread loaf. How to make that one? So I'm gonna show you today how to make that. So let's see. So that one bread dough. I already make that. I put in description links to the recipe. So if you want to make your home or your professional life, so check out. First of all, I'm taking the dough, cut and keep it first of all, and divide it. First, what do I do? I'm cutting the dough, bread dough, each and every dough like a 400 gram. So equally, I am cutting and I keep it the other sides. So after that, cutting finish the dough and giving them round size or shape. Okay, so then I'm talking too much to other person also, someone there also have, so I need to talk to him also because I am disturbing to him. So I'm doing night shift, so I can alone, if alone working, no, so like a silent, so someone coming in my department, so I talk to him or talk to her, basically not her, him, because no one come in the night shift like her person. So we are working night time, all boys. So each and every dough, slowly I'm cutting the 400 gram. After this one, like taking too much time because I'm doing alone, and like a what's called that one, after that I'm keeping the dough like a half an hour, something like that. After this one finish, oof, totally taking too much time because I'm doing alone, and make the dough and keep it and cut and arrange, and then giving size, then after that roll and put the water and sesame blah blah things. Today I think I'm making oats loaf or sesame loaf. Let's see. I didn't remind what I make first. Let me check the what I have in the backup. So after this one finish, look like a same thing, all the dough, all the 400 gram. Then I'm giving them size, all of dough, the round shape. So let's see that one. So I'm take first spray pan coating, no need to stick in my hand, that's why I just put that pan coating. And after that I'm doing very fast, for because I don't have time too much, so little bit time. So that one is the shape, the dough, and I am doing like very fast and make it first. Then I keep it like a half an hour need to prove that one. So after coming nicely safe or size, so I give them rest half an hour. After that I'm gonna show you already, maybe that one I keep it, then see, already prove that one. So I'm giving them size. Okay, so let's see. So I'm gonna make today, I take already advanced water and sesame. Today I make sesame one. So because I roll it and put in the water, and then after that I put the sesame roll. There are so many type, three four type sesame roll, sesame seeds. And I'm taking the dough and I flat the dough, not too much flat, a little bit. Okay, and then I'm giving the size. See, I'm put rolling, not too much like a press. After pressing, after proving time, like a flat coming. So not too much, little bit. Then I giving size, nicely roll, long roll. Okay, then I put the hand my tab, because need to like a sticky type need. Then I what I'm doing there, I need to join that join the site, because after if I'm not joining, when that proof automatically coming like a outside, so like a flatty or a split already, if I'm not joining that one, or then spread the bread. So that's not good looking. So after that I'm doing, I put the water, I'm putting that water. After I'm putting that all seeds there, the seeds tray. So after the rolling, that same look like a this type looking. So I'm fine that which side of the joining, that joining, other than I'm arranging the tray. So I'm gonna show you how to that one arrange. I'm trying this type I'm arranging in the tray. So all of dough I'm doing this same thing. Okay, after that one finish, then and I'm doing again same thing, the dough flat. This thing taking too much time because my finger also like a tap. So after long time I'm doing that one, so my finger also like a painful. So alone work is good, but like a silent. Okay, no one coming and no one there, so not too much gir and not too much like a talking type. So most of the time what I do, I put my I just on YouTube and I just listen Tariq Jamil words, because I like him. I like him his speech, and then I do that one. I'm arranging that thing, and I just keep it the tray, all the tray arranging. And some breads are also I'm keeping like a bread improver machine. So there are prover machine, that one. So some breads I'm putting in the prover. After that put other one. So after that proof coming, then I'm directly put in the oven. You can see it's amazing color and amazing flavor.